Tips for a more profitable YouTube channel. Understanding the YouTube monetization landscape. Navigating the YouTube monetization landscape is essential for anyone looking to turn their passion for video creation into a sustainable income. Understanding how to earn from YouTube begins with the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, a crucial gateway that allows creators to monetize their content effectively. To qualify for the YPP, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you meet these requirements, you gain access to various monetization features, including ad revenue on YouTube. This ad revenue is generated when viewers watch or click on ads displayed in your videos, creating a direct financial incentive for producing engaging content. However, monetization doesn't stop there. Creators can also explore additional revenue streams such as channel memberships, super chat during live streams, and merchandise shelf integration. By diversifying your income sources within the YouTube ecosystem, you can maximize your earnings and build a more resilient channel. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of YouTube monetization not only empowers creators, but also opens up exciting opportunities for financial growth in an increasingly digital world. Embrace this landscape with knowledge and strategy. Your journey towards earning from YouTube starts here. Content creation. Strategies to boost engagement and revenue. In today's digital landscape, mastering content creation strategies is essential for boosting engagement and driving revenue. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through innovative viral video ideas that capture attention and resonate with viewers. By exploring engaging content formats, such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes footage, or user-generated content, you can create a diverse portfolio that appeals to various audience segments. Niche selection for YouTube plays a pivotal role in your success. Choosing a specific niche allows you to tailor your content to meet the unique needs of your target audience, fostering loyalty and encouraging shares. Once you've established your niche, implementing audience retention strategies becomes crucial. This involves creating compelling hooks at the beginning of your videos and maintaining viewer interest throughout by delivering value consistently. Moreover, video length optimization cannot be overlooked. Research shows that shorter videos often perform better in terms of engagement. However, it's important to balance brevity with depth. Aim for concise yet informative videos that respect viewers' time while still providing substantial insights. By focusing on these key aspects, viral video ideas, engaging formats, niche selection, audience retention strategies, and optimized video length, you can significantly enhance viewer engagement and ultimately drive revenue growth for your brand. The power of SEO. Optimize your videos for search and discovery. In today's digital landscape, harnessing the power of SEO is essential for maximizing the reach and impact of your video content. If you're looking to enhance your visibility on platforms like YouTube, implementing effective YouTube SEO tips is non-negotiable. Start with thorough keyword research for videos. Understanding what your target audience is searching for can significantly influence your content strategy. Utilize tools like Google Trends or keyword planners to identify relevant keywords that resonate with viewers' interests. Once you've pinpointed these keywords, it's crucial to integrate them into your tags and descriptions best practices. A well-crafted description not only informs viewers about the video, but also serves as a vital tool for search engines to categorize your content accurately. Use tags wisely to include variations of your main keywords, ensuring a broader reach in search results. Moreover, don't underestimate the importance of thumbnail optimization for clicks. An eye-catching thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer choosing your video over countless others. Ensure that it reflects the essence of your content while being visually appealing. By mastering these elements, you'll unlock the full potential of SEO, driving more traffic to your videos and enhancing their discoverability in an ever-competitive online space. Embrace these strategies today and watch as your video content thrives, diversifying income streams beyond ad revenue. In today's digital landscape, relying solely on ad revenue is no longer a sustainable strategy for content creators on YouTube. Diversifying income streams is essential for long-term success and financial stability. One of the most lucrative avenues to explore is sponsorship opportunities on YouTube. Brands are increasingly eager to partner with creators who align with their values, providing a win-win situation where both parties benefit from increased exposure and sales. Another powerful method to enhance your earnings is through affiliate marketing on YouTube. By promoting products or services relevant to your audience, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique links. This not only adds value to your content, but also fosters trust with your viewers as they see you recommending products you genuinely believe in. Moreover, merchandise sales strategies can significantly boost your income. Creating branded merchandise allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level while providing them with tangible items they can cherish. Whether it's apparel, accessories, or digital products, the possibilities are endless. Lastly, consider leveraging crowdfunding options like Patreon. This platform enables fans to support you directly in exchange for exclusive content or perks. It creates a community around your work and ensures that you have a steady stream of income that isn't solely dependent on fluctuating ad revenue. By embracing these diverse income streams, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding, you position yourself for greater financial security and creative freedom in the ever-evolving world of YouTube content creation. Building a loyal community around your channel. Building a loyal community around your YouTube channel is not just beneficial. It's essential for long-term success. Implementing effective YouTube community engagement tips can transform casual viewers into dedicated subscribers who eagerly anticipate your content. One powerful method to foster subscriber loyalty is through live streams. These real-time interactions allow you to connect with viewers on a personal level, creating an atmosphere of inclusivity and belonging that pre-recorded videos simply cannot achieve. Moreover, responding to comments effectively is crucial in this process. Take the time to engage with your audience by acknowledging their thoughts, answering questions, and appreciating their feedback. This shows that you value their input and cultivates a sense of community where subscribers feel heard and appreciated. By actively fostering these connections, you'll not only enhance viewer retention, but also encourage them to become advocates for your channel, sharing your content with others and helping you grow organically. Embrace these strategies and watch as your channel transforms into a vibrant hub of loyal followers. Let's begin today and take action with these tips and watch your YouTube channel flourish.